SEO tools versus marketing analytics software. Which one is better for digital campaign optimization? Most marketers get this wrong. They think SEO tools alone will optimize a digital campaign, but here's the surprising truth: SEO tools and marketing analytics software serve very different purposes, and knowing when to use each can dramatically improve your results. SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush or Moz focus on optimizing content and websites to rank higher in search engines. They help you identify high-value keywords, analyze backlinks, audit site health, and track search rankings. For example, an e-commerce store can use SEO tools to find long-tail keywords that drive targeted traffic and monitor competitors' backlink strategies. SEO tools excel at improving organic visibility and helping you understand the technical and content-related aspects of search engine performance. Marketing analytics software, such as Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Adobe Analytics, tracks performance across all digital channels, not just search. It measures website traffic, conversion rates, user behavior, and ROI for campaigns across email, social media, paid ads, and organic search. For instance, a SaaS company can use marketing analytics software to see which campaigns drive the most trial sign-ups, which pages have high bounce rates, and where to optimize messaging. This software excels at data-driven decision-making and campaign optimization based on real user behavior. The key difference is scope versus specificity. SEO tools are highly specialized for search optimization, while marketing analytics software provides a holistic view of your digital marketing performance. Most successful campaigns combine both: SEO tools to enhance search visibility and analytics software to understand user engagement and conversion performance. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is to improve organic traffic and search rankings, SEO tools are your best bet. If your goal is to measure campaign effectiveness across multiple channels and optimize overall marketing ROI, marketing analytics software is a smarter choice. The surprising truth is that using both in tandem allows you to not only attract more traffic, but also convert it efficiently, maximizing the impact of every digital marketing dollar.